Hey y'all, welcome back to Smoking Bears, and today I am going to show you a little snack that I've been snacking on for the past few weeks. Me and my dad both love it. It's cookie dough, but it's a different type. It's a lot healthier for you. It's called chickpea cookie dough. Yes, chickpea cookie dough. So, cheers. Alright, so we're going to start with pouring one can. Well, we actually have two cans of drained and rinsed chickpeas, and we're gonna go ahead and pulse it until smooth.
Go.
All right, so now that we have that blended up, we are going to add about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And we are gonna add, usually if you're doing one batch, you would add about a teaspoon, and you would add a 1/4 cup of peanut butter, but we're doing 2 batches, so we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. All right, so we're gonna dump it in. All right, and the second one.
Makes a half.
Mm-hmm. All right, now we just blend it all together, and this will take a little while. Tablespoons of maple syrup. Right now we're going to use 4 because we're doubling the batch. And a little trick I learned, I'm going to do it over this empty can, but you want to spray your tablespoon with oil, that way that whenever you're pouring it in, it slides out and you have no extra mess. 1, it's clean. 2, okay, and then we're gonna, all right, now we have that done. We're gonna go ahead and add the top on again, and we are going to mix until combined. Now, we add flour. We're using almond flour, and we're going to use about 2 to 3 tablespoons. All right, we're going to mix it up, see the consistency. And the last part is we're gonna add chocolate chips. I like using the mini semi-sweet, not too sweet so it doesn't hurt your teeth, and the mini just tastes a lot better, I feel like. So now you're just gonna start folding it in. Remembering scooping from the bottom, turning your bowl. Alright, let's go and try it. If you handed me it and said that this was made out of chickpeas, I would not believe it. It's a really smooth consistency. Chocolate chips are a big plus. Dad?
Has the consistency of cookie dough. It does not taste like chickpeas. Has the like a little
Chocolate aftertaste.
little aftertaste. Otherwise, though, it's really good, and it's low in sugar, so it's a thumbs up.
Super simple to make. It just takes a little bit of time. You can give to your kids; they probably won't even know the difference, or keep for yourself as a steady treat, or just the end of the week treat. So that's Smoke and Bears. There's two rules in cooking. Did you have fun? And did it taste good? Rock on, you're awesome.